Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to take screenshot without power button on iPhone. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution 1. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap accessibility. On the accessibility page, tap touch. On the touch page, scroll down, tap back tap double tap, scroll down, select screenshot. From now on, when you just double tap on the back of your iPhone, a screenshot will be taken and saved to your iPhone. Solution 2. Open the setting app on your iPhone, scroll down, tap accessibility. On the accessibility page, tap touch, tap assistive touch, turn on assistive touch, click on assistive touch, click on device, tap more, tap screenshot. Thanks for watching this video.